Before the body can begin releasing deeper toxins, we first have to make sure that the body's natural drainage pathways are open. Think of this step as preparing the body. If the pathways of elimination are sluggish and blocked, the body cannot safely move waste and toxins out. And when that happens, people often feel worse because things are being stirred up but not properly eliminated. And that's why every cleansing journey at Restored Identity begins with the Open Pathways Kit. This phase is designed to gently support the organs responsible for elimination. The liver, kidneys, lymphatic system, and your colon, they all play an important role in how the body detoxifies. And inside this kit, you're going to find 4 products. You'll find your Clean Sweep Colon Cleanse, Kidney Kindness, Just an Apple a Day, and Love Your Liver. These herbal tools are specifically chosen to support these natural pathways so the body can begin moving waste out more efficiently. Inside your kit, you'll also find a small 36-page instructional booklet that breaks down the entire cleansing process. Be sure to review this booklet as it will answer many of your cleansing questions. For the first 7 days, you will only focus on your digestive pathway with the Clean Sweep Colon Cleanse. Every night before bed for 7 days, you will take 1 to 4 capsules. Start with 1, and if 1 doesn't work, the next night increase to 2. If 2 doesn't work, the next night increase to 3, and so on. And don't worry, you don't have to worry about any massive blowouts. Just smooth sailing in the morning with maybe an increased movement after meals. I have to be honest though, Clean Sweep does not work for everyone, myself included, and I created it. If you find that Clean Sweep does not work for you, just send us an email over to contact@restored-identity.com and we'll get you out a sample of our stronger ones called Stubborn Stool, and I promise you those will get your pipes moving. After your colon cleanse is over, you can start the Open Pathways protocol. For 30 days, you will take 2 Kidney Kindness at breakfast, 2 Just an Apple a Day at lunch, and 2 Love Your Liver at dinner. One suggestion I will make is to ensure that you eat food with just an apple a day. It is a strong formula and can upset the stomach if taken on an empty stomach. As you begin this phase, some people notice increased bowel movements, mild fatigue, headaches, or temporary change in your digestion. This is simply the body beginning to shift and move things that have been sitting for a very long time. Others may notice they begin to feel lighter, clearer, and even more energized as the body starts functioning more efficiently. Everyone's experience will be different because every body is carrying a different history. The key in this phase is just simply consistency. So follow the schedules in your booklet, space your supplements out throughout the day, drink plenty of water, focus on simple, nourishing foods that build the body instead of burden it. This phase typically lasts about a month, but the real marker for moving forward isn't just time. You'll know you're ready to move into the next phase when your elimination is more consistent, your digestion feels more stable, and your body has adjusted to the cleansing process, and you have more energy than you've felt in a long time. So if you're someone who is relatively healthy, you'll probably only need 1 month of Open Pathways. But if you're someone who has been sick for a long time, or if you know that your digestion and your lymphatic system is sluggish, you'll probably need 2 to 3 months. It's all about listening to your body. And once those pathways are flowing well, the body's better prepared for the next step in the journey, which is addressing heavy metals. And remember, this is not a race. This is a slow and steady process of giving the body the support it needs to restore itself. So take your time, trust the process, and allow your body to do what it was designed to do. Up next, heavy metals.